Good morning everyone, today is Friday 4th of August. Today's going to be a relaxing, exploring day at the hotel here. We've literally only explored up to the waterline of these two sides of the hotel. Haven't got any further than the pool, like the entrance of the pool. So a lot to explore today. We also got a bazaar on a Friday, which is just across the road, so we're going to visit that today as well. And yeah, looking forward to it. I'll take you on a trip along with me. Just had some breakfast, time to digest it off with a little walk around the resort, see what we can find. Looks like it's just sun lounges all the way around here. We will take a dip in the pool later on. It's going to be slippery around here, so I'm just trying to be a little bit careful. Don't want to die on the first day here. Okay, so it looks like we made it to the pool bar now. So over here, I think they can make cocktails, mocktails, whatever you want really. We might just chill out here because this, when you come out of the sun, you can feel it. So this is the pool bar, right next to the pool obviously. First thing we've actually found after leaving the hotel room, so bit of a surprise to actually find this. I thought it'd be a little bit harder to find. But yeah, we're here now. Looks like this is where they have the evening entertainment as well. That's probably the DJ stand or something. So what do you think this thing turning up on the right is? It looks like we've hit a roundabout. What's this over here? Oh, okay. It's that amphi bar over that way. So we seem to have hit like a roundabout sort of thing. Okay, let's find the M25 exit round the roundabout. So is this one? No, it's not a snack restaurant. Looks like that's closed from judging over here. I think that opens a little bit later, like 11 o'clock-ish. Guessing this way takes us towards the beach. I think I can see the beach from here actually, so we'll be exploring that later on as well. Amphi bar as well, and yeah, that way takes you back towards the pool, and that way back towards the hotel. That's basically it at this roundabout. Unfortunately, no M25. We saw in a previous video we watched that the pier was all gone, so it's a bit of relief. Here we are, this is the beach. I won't show too much of it now. We are going to head back here and do it properly later on as well. Let's not do this all now, yeah? We're not really in the right attire for it.
We're not. No, that's right.
Let's go.
46 degrees Celsius.
Oh, okay, it's actually 46 degrees Celsius out here. No wonder I can feel myself sweating already. And I've only been out for like 5 minutes. Okay, got the swimming gear on now. Time to head over to the beach. Here at the beach, went into the sea and it was very refreshing. It's a bit cooler than what it is when you're outside, so yeah, quite nice to just have take a little dip. Over to the left here, you've got some water sports going on. Looks like they're preparing something, I'm not quite sure. They always have the jet skis going on, they always have the parasailing going on. There you are, there's one going past right there. You guys have probably noticed the pier right in front as well. Haven't had a chance to walk along that yet, but that might be something for later on. Okay, in the ocean now, the Mediterranean Sea, and just to show you just how Mediterranean this place is, it's pirates. Yeah, I need someone to do that sound effect. Either I was going to put it in. Currently got the GoPro. We're nearly over here, loving it. Come up to the ocean. And yeah, don't need to do much really. The waves are a little bit choppier than I am usually accustomed to, but to be honest, I'm enjoying it here. If only the beach was sandy, this would be perfect. Yeah, just enjoying here. I'm sure you don't want to watch me doing this for 15 minutes or so, so I'll see you guys when I see you next.